This is a waterfall. This is a bigger waterfall. Let's see if we can come up here and get it. It is really cool. It's actually on top of two waterfalls. So let's see here. I can't zoom in for some reason. But alright. That's that. And this is on top of a waterfall. And I'm going to try not to get too close to the edge. Help! This is Sarah. I don't know if you remember her. Say hi, Sarah.
Hello.
Yeah, party.
I climbed up here.
Absolutely. I'm going to be stupid and go to the edge. And even maybe sit down because I'm paranoid because I almost slipped and fell before. That is one waterfall. There it goes. Party. Alright, I'm done.